Hi, I'm John from AITT, and we're going to have a look at how to do a spiky profile. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to get our data, which is here on the left-hand side of the screen, and this is from Microsoft Word. So I'm going to copy the data here, and I'm going to paste it over here in Excel. And in Excel, we're going to make a chart. And so we choose Insert, and the kind of chart I want to make is a 2D column chart, and there you can see it. And once I've got the column chart, I need to change it a little bit in order to generate a spiky profile. The part that we want to change is the red bars, which are on the right side. On the blue side, we have requirements. On the right side, these are study levels. So we want the study levels to be represented as a line. So we right-click the study levels bar. That's any of the red bars, okay? So we can choose any of those, but let's just choose the learning one. And then what I want to do is change series chart type, which I do there. And we can see that Excel describes it as a clustered column right now, and we want to change the study levels clustered column to a line, and there you can see the preview of the line. We choose OK, and then once we've got that, we have our spiky profile. And because we want to give a label to this, we want to know whose spiky profile this is, and we know from the workbook that we have this is the spiky profile for John Hamza. So once we have that, we copy it and we come back to Word and we paste it. And what we might like to do here is just make it the same width as the other table, and there you have it. There is the spiky profile.